Liao Xingmao lost mobility on the right side of his body after a cerebral hemorrhage. The 39-year-old could no longer work, and even daily life became a challenge. Earlier this year, he saw a news report about a clinical trial for what's known as a BCI cap at Tongji Hospital in Wuhan, a device that he hoped could aid in his recovery. Xingmao signed up without hesitation.
My dream is simple, to hold a pen again and draw.
Turning science fiction into reality, brain-computer interfaces, known as BCIs, enable real-time interaction between the human brain and external devices, with the aim of restoring motor, sensory, and communication functions in patients living with disabilities. In China, the China Brain Project is in full swing, with neurological research included in national development plans. In Wuhan's Optics Valley, BCI research has been underway for years, driven by a long-term vision to transform lives and serve the greater good of humanity.
The biggest advantage of our BCI cap is safety, no surgery, lower cost, and greater access.
More than 40 patients like Liao Xingmao are now participating in clinical trials involving the BCI cap at Tongji Hospital. But this is just one of many teams advancing BCI technology in Wuhan's Optics Valley. Wuhan Neurocom has developed one of China's most advanced implantable BCI technologies. Tiny electrodes can be implanted into the brain to help paralyzed patients move just by thinking.
Our chip supports 65,000 channels, enabling richer signals, more accurate decoding, and even stimulation back to the brain.
Scientists say that the BCI industrial chain is still in the early stages of development in China. How to convert scientific breakthroughs into practical applications is a challenge already being explored. With government backing, Neurocom partnered with another leading local hospital in BCI research. Late last year, their chip was successfully implanted into a patient to monitor real-time brain activity near a tumor, marking a major step towards clinical application.
Now we've built joint labs with top local hospitals to translate research into real treatments that directly benefit patients.
Wuhan's Optics Valley, named after China's first practical optical fiber in 1988, has grown into a major innovation hub spanning optics, AI, biotech, semiconductors, and more. As BCI emerges as a key frontier for major countries seeking new engines of growth and future competitiveness, China is seizing the opportunity. The rapid progress being made reflects a full-chain innovation ecosystem, where research, industry, clinical practice, and forward-looking policy are seamlessly integrated.
We've made breakthroughs in original innovation, moving from 0 to 1, and now growing steadily from 1 to 100, even to 1,000. This evolving ecosystem gives us both confidence and global competitiveness.
China's manufacturing leap is not just about speed, it's about a system that transforms ideas into real-world impact. From universities driving foundational science, tech firms pushing hardware innovation, to hospitals delivering real-world validation, each link in the chain reinforces the other. The aim is to build self-reliant supply chains and shape a smarter, stronger, and more competitive manufacturing sector. From brain-computer breakthroughs to real-world recovery, Optics Valley shows how science is transforming lives, and behind it all is China's greatest strength: steady growth, strong innovation, and rising global confidence. In an uncertain world, that resilience matters more than ever.